Okay, I just completed this customer job, and the customer bought a bagger set, stretched rear kit. I had to match the existing Harley paint job, and I came up with this. I thought it was very interesting on what I use. So what I'm going to do is throw a little contest for you guys. So basically what you need to do is guess on how I got this special effect, what I used exactly within the graphic to make this. Here's the original. This is the Harley side cover. This is the stretch side cover. So there's some stipulations though. One, you must be a subscriber before you post your answer. You must post your answer in the description below. So that's actually two stipulations. Don't contact me, don't email me directly. You must put your answer what you think it is that I used for these little squigglies. It's pretty interesting what I used. I thought it was pretty cool. So you must be a subscriber before you put your post, so remember that. So, and also, this will have 20 days from the post date for you to enter this little contest. The winner gets $50. I'll send them a check. See the little squigglies with little drop shadows. You don't tell me how I did the drop shadows. You have to tell me what I used to get the little squigglies. So I showed you the factory job. Here's some more. So subscribe, put your guess below, and good luck. So 20 days from now, I will post a video and show you exactly how I did it. So it's just going to be a short video of the step that shows how I did it. So I'm not going to show you the complete graphic steps, as there was plenty. If you notice that stripe, 1/32 of an inch, which was a pain in the butt. I will have the final say-so of who the winner is, and I wish you all good luck. So one more close look at all these. So what did I use? So hopefully somebody guesses it. That'd be interesting. Most likely the Harley dealer uses a graphic, like a water transfer or something. So I had to match that. Obviously I couldn't do a water transfer. So I wish you all luck. Subscribe. Hope you enjoy my videos. And good luck. So as soon as I post this, you can post your answers below.